Hi friends, welcome to MKS Tech Talks. Today's our topic is Git commands. This is the continuation of our Devops video series. We are going to upload videos from Git to Kubernetes. To get all our updates, please subscribe MKS Tech Talks. Coming to the today's topic, today we are in this video we are going to discuss some of the git commands like git init, git status, git add, git commit, git ls files, and git log, git show. All these commands today we are going to discuss. Let's move to our lab. Here I already have ec2 instance. So first of all, we have to install git on our machine. So I think we are having git already installed here. We are checking. Yes, git is already installed. So here for what we have to do is we have to create a working directory uh, to track whatever the changes we are going to do. So for this I am taking one new directory kdir. And cd. So we have to move. You can log in as a root. It is better to log in as root. So now we logged in as a root. Here create a new directory. So project one directory is created. Move to project one. So let us check, is there any files here? So we didn't have any files here. Now here we have to initialize this directory, project one directory. For this we are going to use a git init command. So git init command is used to track whatever the changes we are going to made in this directory. So git init. So it is saying dot git directory is created. So this dot git directory will track all our changes what we are going to made in this project one directory. So here first of all we will see what is the status of our directory. Git status, which will show the status of our project one directory. So on branch master, no commits yet, nothing to commit, nothing to commit. So still we didn't made any changes. That's why it is showing nothing to commit here. Then are going to do some modifications on this directory. We are creating file one dot txt. Okay, so now some modifications has been made in this project one directory. Now you just check the status, git status. So it is showing untracked files. Here see, it is showing untracked files. That is file one is not moved to a local repository. That is the meaning of untracked stage, untracked files. So as we already seen, here in the Git, we are having a working directory, local repository. Whatever the changes we are making on working directory, we have to move to local repository first. For this, we are going to use the commands git add and git commit commands. By using these commands, we can move the working directory changes to the local repository. So here again, between working directory and the local repository, we are having a staging area also. So the command git add, whatever the changes we are having in the working directory, these changes will be moved to the staging area by using the command git add. So the command here is git add a file name. Our file name is file1.txt. Git add file name. This will move the changes from working directory to the staging area. Now you just check the status. Git status. Now it is saying changes to be committed. We have to changes to be committed means now whatever the changes we are having in the staging area, by using git commit command, we can move these changes to the local repository. So for this, the command is git commit hyphen m some message. Some message is a first commit. So let us check. Now just check the status. Git status. It is showing nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. What working directory is clean. Nothing to commit means whatever the changes we are having on working directory, all changes have been moved to the our local repository. Okay. So this is the flow we are going to use in Git. Again, create one more file in project one directory, file2.txt. Now you just check the status. Git status. Here again it is showing untracked files. Untracked files means whatever the changes we are having, that changes still not moved to the staging area. Okay. So now what we have to do is we have to use a git add command. By using a git add command, we can move the changes to the staging area. Git add file name. Otherwise we can use a git add dot. If by using this command also, we can move the changes to the staging area if these changes are made in the same path, same project, that is the same directory. Now check git status. Now again, changes to be committed. Now it means now we are having the changes in staging area. These changes has to be moved to the local repository. So to move these changes from staging area to the local repository, we have to use git commit command. So git commit hyphen m some message, second commit. Okay. Now let us check the status. Git status. It is saying nothing to commit. Working tree is clean. Okay. So this is the flow. By using this git add and git commit commands, we can move the changes from a working directory to the local repository. Okay. So we can see. So Now we are having a ls command. This ls command will give whatever the files we are having in the uh, working directory, and we are having another command uh, which will show the files in the local repository. So here, as we moved all changes to the local repository, we are going to get the same information with the help of both ls and git ls files commands. Git ls files. We also show the two files. That is the first one. Ls command show the number of files in the working directory. That is, we are having file one, file two in the working directory, and the git ls files show the files in the a local repository. That is, a file one, file two, both are in a local repository. So let us now create another file. Touch file 3.txt. Now use ls. Here we are getting three files. Then use git ls hyphen files. Now we are getting only two files. So why we are getting only two files means still we didn't moved we didn't committed the changes from working directory. That's why this command will show only two files. We are having only two files in the local repository. Okay, now just add a git add and git commit hyphen m the message code commit. Okay, now see ls and git ls hyphen files. Okay, now both are same because we committed our changes to the local repository. That's why these two commands will show the same information. Okay. Then next commands we are having here is git log one line, git show. Coming to git log, it will show the number of commits, whatever the commits we made up now. All commits will be shown by using git log. Here see, um, uh, this is the first commit, second commit, third commit. So all the commit information we will get by using git log command. Okay, if you want only commit ids in one line, you can use a git log one line command, hyphen one line. Yes, here by using a git log hyphen one line, we will get only commit ids and commit messages. It will by using this command we can clearly saw the commit ids. That is the advantage with git log one line command. And by using a git show some tech commit id. See, this will git show will show the whatever the changes we made in that particular commit id. Okay, here you see in the second commit, these are the changes we made. Okay, git show will show the changes in the particular commit id. Okay. Okay, thank you friends. We will stop here. In the next video we will continue with the next remaining git commands. uh, Thank you once again. Please subscribe mks tech talks to get regular updates from our channel.